How to do donation blocks in Squarespace. So in order to do donation blocks, what you can do is you first need to head over and make sure to edit your site. Click on this edit site option. Click on this edit right here. Now once you're in there, next thing you need to do is to just input right here that block. For example, let's add it right here and adding here blank section first. Now onto this section, let's add our donation block. Click on this add block. Click on the search and search in here for donation. You can drag and drop it right here. So let's add it right around this part. Now here is what it looks like. You can change the color of your background. So in that way, you can see the actual colors and background for this part as well. So let me head over and change it right there. Here is our donation block. You can choose the actual donation option, or you can also choose in here the actual options available like general fonts, contribute to, and change the designs that it has available to this part. That's how you do donation blocks in Squarespace. Hope we helped.